A. Today we discuss the topic ordered pair and a Cartesian product. Ordered pair and a Cartesian product. First we define the term ordered pair. Ordered pair represents two components. Ordered pair represents two components in a specified order. Okay. For example, ordered pair AB, ordered pair 1, 2 are ordered pairs. In ordered pair AB, A is the first component and B is the second component. Similarly, in ordered pair 1, 2, 1 is the first component and 2 is the second component. If two ordered pairs are equal, then the corresponding components are equal. That is, if ordered pair AB equals ordered pair CD, then A equals C. That is, the first component of the first ordered pair equals the first component of the second ordered pair. Also, B is equal to D. That is, if two ordered pairs are equal, their corresponding components are equal. Ordered pair AB equal to ordered pair CD means A is equal to C and B is equal to D. Now, a question. If ordered pair XY equals ordered pair 1, 2, then find X and Y. By the definition of equality of ordered pairs, the corresponding components are equal. Therefore, X is equal to 1 and Y is equal to 2. Also, if ordered pair 2x plus 2 and y plus 1 equals 0 or equals 0, ordered pair 0 minus 2, then find X and Y. By definition of equality of ordered pairs, here we get 2x plus 2 equal to 0. 2x plus 2 equal to 0 and y plus 1 equals minus 2. 2x plus 2 equal to 0 means 2x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to minus 2 divided by 2. So, x is equal to minus 1. Also, y is equal to minus 2 minus 1. So, y is equal to minus 3. Okay. Let us now discuss Cartesian product. Cartesian product. Cartesian product of two sets is defined as if A and B are any two sets. If A and B are any two sets, the set of all ordered pairs whose first component belongs to A and the second component belongs to B is called the Cartesian product of A and B. Also, it is denoted as A cross B. Read it as A cross B. By this notation, we represent A cross B. A cross B is equal to represent A cross B in set builder form as A cross B is equal to set of all ordered pair AB such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. A cross B is the set of all ordered pairs, with the first component in A and the second component from B. Okay, for example, A equals set A, B, C and B equals set 1, 2. Then A cross B equals set of all ordered pairs with the first components from A and the second components from B. So let us start with the first element from A, second component from B. So ordered pair A1, ordered pair A2. Now start with B, ordered pair B1, ordered pair B2, ordered pair C1, ordered pair C2. So the elements in A cross B are ordered pair A1, ordered pair A2, ordered pair B1, ordered pair B2, ordered pair C1 and ordered pair C2. Each element in the set A cross B is an ordered pair. Each element in the set A cross B is an ordered pair. Okay. Now we find B cross A. Okay. Now we find B cross A. B cross A equals, okay, B cross A defined as B cross A equals set of all ordered pair X, Y such that first component, that is X from B, X belongs to B. First component belongs to B and the second component belongs to A. Okay. First component belongs to B and the second component belongs to A. So, in B, first components, in B the elements are 1 and 2 and in A, B, C. So, set ordered pair, we start from 1A, 1B, 1C. 1A, 1B, 1C. Also, B has another element 2. So, 2A, 2B and 2C. Okay. Then, number of elements in A cross B. Number of elements in A cross B. How many elements in A cross B? A cross B has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements. A cross B has 6 elements. We know that 6 is equal to 3 into 2. Number of elements in A cross B represented as n of A cross B. Number of elements in A cross B represented as n of A cross B. N of A cross B equals, look, 3 is number of element in A. A has 3 elements. Here A has 3 elements. So 3 equals n of A and 2 equals n of B. B has only 2 elements. So n of A cross B equals n of A into n of B. Okay. Number of elements in A cross B is the product of number of elements in A and the number of elements in B. Also, number of elements in B cross A. Number of elements in B cross A is equal to number of elements in B cross A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B cross A has 6 elements. That is equal to 2 into 3. That is number of elements in B into number of elements in A. Number of elements in B into number of elements in A is same as number of elements in A into number of elements in B. So again, number of elements in B cross A equals number of elements in B into number of elements in A. Here we get number of elements in A cross B, number of elements in A cross B equals number of elements in B cross A. Elements in number of elements in A cross B is equal to number of elements in B cross A, but elements in A cross B and B cross A are not equal. But elements in A cross B and B cross A are not equal. Look, elements in A cross B are A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. But elements in B cross A are 1A, 1B, 1C, 2A, 2B, 2C. So that sets are not equal. Generally, A cross B not equal to B cross A. Generally, A cross B not equal to B cross A, but the number of elements in A cross B equals the number of elements in B cross A. Okay. Now consider another example. A is equal to set 1, 3, 5, 7 and B is equal to set 2, 4, 6. Then A cross A. A cross A defined as set of all ordered pair x, y such that x belongs to A and y belongs to A. Here the first component is from A and the second component is from A. So ordered pair 1, 1. We start with 1 and 1 pair with all other elements in A. Okay. 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. Also 5, 1, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7. 7, 1, 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. Okay. In A cross A, we have 16 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. In A cross A, we have 16 elements. That is 4 into 4. That is equal to number of elements in A into number of elements in A. Okay. Now, we discuss B cross A. B cross A. B cross A is equal to set of all ordered pair x, y such that x element in B and y element in A. Here, elements in B are 2, 4, 6. Elements in B are 2, 4, 6. So, we start with the first component 2 and the second component from A. 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Also 4, 1, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7. 6, 1, 6, 3, 6, 5 and 6, 7. Okay. Here also number of elements in B cross A are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 elements. That is equal to 4 into 3. That is equal to number of elements in A into number of elements in B. Okay. Okay.